Good day all viewers. We're looking at the OKCoin spot US dollar 1 hour chart where price is pushing above 2,300 after having tested 2,000 yesterday. A likely target, as discussed in yesterday's analysis update 21st of May, that 2,600 is looking like an interim target, if not a temporary top. The Bitfinex and Bitstamp exchanges, as are most other US dollar exchanges, are struggling with the banking blockade and are showing signs of drying up liquidity since they're hovering in levels of 2,100, 2,200, whereas the OKCoin and Chinese yuan charts are now leading the advance. Price remains above its lower channel trend line, now testing the top trend line, and is advancing above a rising 200 period moving average in this 1 hour chart. That is a very bullish sign, and the only concern at this time is that RSI is diverging from the new high being made between this point and this point. However, during strong advance, and certainly during parabolic advance as we are seeing, this divergence can compound, as is also visible during this stretch of advance when price had made higher highs but RSI consistently made lower highs, yet the advance continued. Given the steepening angle of advance, the increasing volatility that we're seeing in price action, as well as the fact that we are aware of liquidity issues in many exchanges, Cryptocurrents members are well aware of the levels to keep an eye on, where to increase position and where to get out of trend. While trade remains above this lower trend line and above a rising 200 period moving average, the main direction of trend remains up. This is the website of the User Activated Soft Fork Working Group, and it describes in a fair amount of detail the objectives, mechanics and potential risks of a user-activated soft fork as proposed in Bitcoin Improvement Proposal 148. The bottom line of the user-activated soft fork is that SegWit will be activated by full nodes on the 1st of August, regardless of whether miners are signaling for it or not. There are some potential risks, and I have to report, people, that there is some contention around this issue, with many core developers putting in their opinion that it is perhaps too aggressive and too risky. However, I'm reserving judgment at this stage for the sake of bringing you this information, and the chart that you see here is an outline of the number of full nodes that are signaling SegWit, almost 700 at the time of going live. This chart will be featured every day until August 1st, and the topic of SegWit will certainly get more discussion in the weeks to come. Be sure to look out for this chart in the metrics that follow.